My name is Tamer Ben Houel. We are so glad to organize this event and see kids starting their own business and develop their negotiation and selling skills. And we hope to see like this event, more events like this in the future.
In a scene that was more than an exception, a glimpse into a generation determined to reshape their country's future, one small sale at a time, proving that in Aden, entrepreneurship is no longer reserved for adults. A recent children's micro-business exception by Small Kids Big Hubs initiative brought together young vendors, some no older than 8, selling handmade goods, practicing negotiation skills and pitching their products to visitors.
My name is Mudi and my project is decorations of balloons to birthday and events. We do like this. And this is in birthday.
Organizers say the event is part of a growing movement to teach business and financial literacy from an early age, with the hope that these skills will help rebuild South Yemen's economy from the ground up. In Aden, the future isn't waiting but growing, with every child playing their part today.